Welcome to the installation video for the Vector Technics propulsion system. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step installation of the 8020 Pro motor. Secure the 8020 motor and place the motor mount and align the PCD. Use only the recommended M4 by 8 mm mounting screws. Insert all screws loosely before tightening. And in a crisscross pattern, fasten the screws to the final torque of 2.2 Newton meters. Ensure all mounting hardware is correctly installed before proceeding. Using a leveling gauge, verify that the motor is perfectly horizontal. Install the rotation locking screw to prevent movement and maintain motor alignment during operation. Place the 3010 propeller onto the motor mount. Ensure the propeller sits correctly and that the mounting hole patterns align accurately. Use only the recommended M4 by 12 mm propeller mounting screws. Gradually tighten in a crisscross pattern to maintain even pressure across the mounting interface. No gaps should be visible between the mating surfaces. Tighten all screws evenly to a final torque of 2.2 Newton meters. Perform a final inspection. The propeller should be secure, correctly aligned, and free from movement or wobble. With that, your motor and propeller assembly is complete. Safe, secure, and precise. That's Vector Technics.